Hi, and welcome to this Appli video. In this video, I want to show you another tool we have here in the footer. It's Applibot. Applibot is an AI bot inside Appli that can answer questions about the technical aspects of using Appli to build your apps. For example, let me just close it for a second. We have this sample app that I built for another video. A video on the variable viewer, which is here, that you can use to view and change variables. Suppose that I don't know how to do that. I can come here, launch Applibot, and ask a question. How do I view variables? And then it will tell you how to use the variable viewer. So when you have doubt, if you enjoy using a chatbot for quick back and forth, you can use Applibot. For example, suppose that we want to do some addition using Appli. Which is something we did in the previous video. And it even tells you which action to use. So it's a very handy tool that you can use when you need some help. If you don't want to post on our forums, if you're pressed for time, or if you just enjoy this kind of UI. Besides that, I want to highlight that we do have extensive documentation. We have documentation on all aspects of Appli. You can see the table of contents. From every single element, you can get the element, how it works, what are the properties. You have tutorials, you have how to do responsive design. It's all full of screenshots, tutorials, documentation, and you have it online at docs.appli.io. And you also have it as a PDF with the same content. And you can go on the PDF and you have the same rich help. So between our online documentation, our PDF, and Applibot here, we got you covered for your documentation needs. If you need help, those are always available to you. If you need something extra that's not in our documentation and that our chatbot cannot answer, you can come to our forums and then I will answer you. So if you need any help, these are your tools. Talk to you soon.